Oftentimes in a lab, you have to measure out a set amount of substance. Uh, in this case, this is going to be an example of I have to measure out 10 grams of baking soda onto a Kleenex tissue. It'll make it a lot easier to pick up the baking soda. So what you have to first do is zero your balance, and as you can see, I have zeroed the balance. All the writers are on the zero mark, and the pointer is pointing to the zero mark. Okay, now I need to take into account the actual Kleenex. So I set the Kleenex on the pan, and I want to make sure that it's not sitting on any of the beams. So you got to make sure it's not sitting on any of the beams. It's sitting all on the pan. Okay, so it's not touching. If you can't see that, maybe you can see that now. So it's not touching at all. It's just all the mass of the Kleenex is on the pan. Okay, now I need to move this rider over until it is zeroed. A little bit more. And that looks pretty good. So looking straight on from this, it's the mass of the Kleenex is 1.6 grams. Now I need to measure 10 grams of baking soda. So I know oftentimes kids want to go, okay, 10 grams, I'm just going to move this to the 10 mark. Well, the problem is this Kleenex is 1.6 grams. So what you do is you simply go to the back rider, and these go by tens, and I'm just simply going to move this rider here to the 10 mark. It'll click into place. It's obviously down now. And over here I have my baking soda, and I'm going to slowly add baking soda until I have a total of 10 grams. It's starting to come up. Almost there. And that looks pretty darn good. Alright, so that is 10 grams of baking soda. So that's how you measure out 10 grams of baking soda.